Here we go. CNC group break number 3442. We've got the retro inner and the black diamond 1314. All right, so Metal Universe for the Anaheim Ducks of Teemu Selanne, and for the Carolina Hurricanes, Eric Stahl. Party people. Matt Sundin for the Colorado Avalanche Flair Showcase, and Evgeny Malkin for the Pittsburgh Penguins Ultra. Flair Showcase of Milan Lucic for the Boston Bruins, and for the LA Kings, Jonathan Quick Ultra. That's a good start. For the St. Louis Blues, Jaden Schwartz Ultra Autograph. Jaden Schwartz Ultra. For the Edmonton Oilers, we've got a diamond tribute of Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. Ryan Nugent-Hopkins, diamond tribute. We've got for the Florida Panthers, autographics of Sean Matthias. For the Ottawa Senators, we have an autographics of Pascal Leclerc. We've got an electrifying insert for the New York Rangers, Pavel Bure. I'm a big fan of retro. We've got an EX for the Anaheim Ducks of Teemu Selanne, and another Ultra of Evgeny Malkin for the Pittsburgh Penguins. And for the Islanders, John Tavares Metal Universe, and for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Chris Letang Ultra. Yeah, you know what? I might put up one of the a retro team select again. I think the value in retro is just awesome. With the potential of what you can get, and most of the teams are like 10, 15, 20 bucks. I personally like it, but everyone has their own product, so. Got a double diamond for the Boston Bruins of Terry O'Reilly. Yeah, at the new price now, it's a good buy. At the old price, not so much. Jerome McGinley for the Boston Bruins, double diamond. Well, maybe I'll post it for tomorrow. We've got a double diamond ruby, number /50 for the Edmonton Oilers, Ryan Smith. And we've got a double diamond for the Boston Bruins, Cam Neely. That's 3 double diamonds for you guys. That's 4 double diamonds, Brad Marchand for the Boston Bruins. All right, Boston, you got to share this box. We've got a Rookie Gems triple diamond for the Carolina Hurricanes, Ryan Murphy. We got a Rookie Gems triple diamond for the Anaheim Ducks, Ricard Raquel. Triple diamond for the Montreal Canadiens, Guy Lafleur. Triple diamond rookie, Jack Campbell for the Dallas Stars. And for the Detroit Red Wings, Damian Brunner. Dual jersey, Damian Brunner. Triple diamond for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Felix Potvin. We've got a quad rookie gems for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Morgan Riley. Quad rookie gems, Morgan Riley, for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Double diamond for the Columbus Blue Jackets of Marian Gaborik. Double diamond for the Chicago Blackhawks of Tony Esposito. We've got a quad diamond for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Mario Lemieux. That's pretty awesome, Caper. Hopefully I can land one of them in this for you. How cool would that be? We've got, for the Montreal Canadiens, dual jersey of Nathan Beaulieu. And a quad diamond for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Matt Sundin. Nice. For the Vancouver Canucks, we've got a Hardware Heroes, number /100, Pavel Bure. Hardware Heroes, number /100, Pavel Bure. Base. We've got a triple diamond for the Buffalo Sabres of Gilbert Perreault. Yeah, the Hardware Heroes cards are really nice. Double diamond for the St. Louis Blues of Yaroslav Halak. And a base pack. Come on, big 99 rookie. Nice. Number to 249 for the Winnipeg Jets, Jacob Trouba.